Hey there, welcome to my channel and to this tutorial on if-else statements in C programming. In this video, we'll be exploring the fundamentals of conditional statements in C programming and how to implement them using if-else statements. So let's get started. In C programming, the if-else statement is one of the most common forms of conditional statements, and it is used to control the flow of execution of statements based on a certain condition. This example illustrates the basic syntax of an if-else statement. Here, condition is the Boolean expression which evaluates to true or false. If it is true, the code in the if block, that is this block of code, is executed. Otherwise, the code in the else block is what is going to be executed. You can also use the if-else statement to chain multiple conditions together. So for example, instead of having the if statement and then go directly to the else statement, we can put another if statement here. So we can write it should be else if condition 2 is true, then we want our program to execute the block of code in this condition. So here, if condition 1 is true, the code in the first block, that is this if block, is executed, and the rest of the code is ignored. In the same way, if condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true, this code here is what is going to be executed. But if both conditions are false, we are going to get the code in the else block being executed. Let us look at a practical example. Assuming we want to write a program that takes a user's age as input and then outputs if they are eligible to vote or not. Here is what the code will look like. So in this program, we are using a simple if-else statement to determine whether the user's age is greater than or equal to 18. So if it is, we will output a message saying that they are eligible to vote. If it is not, we will output a message that says that they are not eligible to vote. So let us run our program and see our output. Good. So we are the first part of our program. So enter age. I'm going to enter a lower age for the first time, 15, and hit enter. And our program has evaluated the statement, and then it has seen that 15 is less than 18. So you are not eligible to vote. And that is what is written in the else statement. So if my age is greater than or equal to 18, it is going to tell me I am eligible to vote. If my age is less than that, it is going to tell me I am not eligible to vote. So we can rerun the program and then enter an age higher than, so 19, and then we have it here. you are eligible to vote. So the first code for the if block gets executed because my age is greater than 18.
Let us take another example to check whether a number our user enters into our program is either positive or negative. So here the code is going to prompt the user to enter a number. Then it is going to use the if-else statement to check whether the number is either positive or negative and print out the appropriate message. So let's run our program and see. So we've been asked to enter a number. Let's enter 3 and press enter. The number 3 is positive. So our program is working correctly. So here we entered our number and it was stored in this memory location. Then we asked it that if x, that is the inputted number, is greater than 0, then it is going to print that that particular number is positive, but it should tell us which number I inputted. But if the number is less than 0, then it is going to print that the number is negative. If none of these conditions are met, then the program is going to evaluate to null. So let's run it again and check the second condition. So let's say -2 and press enter. So that is correct. The number is negative. So -2 is less than 0. So the number -2 is negative.
So that's the basics of if-else statements in C programming. They are a fundamental building block of conditional statements, and understanding how to use them is essential to writing effective code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.